Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. If you like to make backdrops, if you like DIYs, then this is the place for you. So don't go anywhere. Just hit the subscribe button and that notification bell. I've been seeing this trend going for some time, so I decided to make a backdrop. Exotic leaf backdrop. I think it's gonna turn out just as cute as any other backdrop that I did on my channel. If you want to see how I'm gonna make this backdrop, what I'm gonna do, and how I'm gonna do it, just stay tuned and let's get to it. To pin all of my leaves, I'll be using needles with flat heads, or needles with pearls will be great as well. So you take your leaf and your needle, go through the paper, and you're ready to pin. my finished backdrop and I love how it turned out. I decided to use red paper flowers and I made them in one of my previous videos. I will link that video down below if you're interested in making them and using them for your backdrop. I will link that video down below. I took a needle with a flat head or with a pearl on top, and you just pin as you pinned your leaves to the fabric. Overall, I used 12 flowers and I used a whole bunch of leaves. I can't really tell you how many I made. I made 3 different styles. I just pinned until I was happy with the result. I like it. It's not that busy, but it's enough green. If you like to have more green, go ahead, pin it away, add more leaves, cut more leaves. It's all up to you. I'm going to play with lighting and show you the final result in just a little bit. All right, you guys, so let me know in the comments down below what you think about this backdrop. Come by, say hi. I think this backdrop turned out very cute and very affordable. I have only spent $4 for that paper, so I like that backdrop. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all back very soon. Bye-bye.